So the idea with Eversys was it was founded by a few guys who had a lot of experience making super automatic machines for a company called Thermoplan, which is one of the biggest players in the world for super automatic machines. But the idea with this company was, how can we take the quality that you can get in a manual machine, cram it into a super automatic machine? We have been conditioned for our entire careers in coffee to think that a machine that is super automatic will make a bad cup of coffee. And it's really hard for us to get over that. We are irrational. We are mammals. We are not computers. When we make that association enough times, it becomes concrete in our brain. And even if that machine was making the best espressos, people are going to think that it's bad. Example A, at the SCA this year, there was an Eversys machine under the bench at the Starbucks Roy Street store, except on the top they had a very beautiful machine called the Phantom. People enjoyed the espressos from the Phantom. They said it was great and it was the future of coffee. The same machine, same coffee at SCA looked like this. Everyone said it was crap. So it's optics and bias and prejudice are extremely important for specialty coffee. Even if you know that you have that bias will still exist. That's just what being a mammal is all about. So the volume proxy is really accurate. Like it may as well be a set of scales. You just can't program in a weight. So instead we program millimeters.
From the top down.
Yeah. The distance. So it knows the 0 point. Yeah. So it'll go down and then it goes, oh, okay, we've got 14 millimeters of coffee. Yeah. So it can adjust. It will then tell the grinder next time grind more or grind less to keep the volume of coffee the same. Torsten sent me a photo a while back. They installed some machines in an American chain, and they thought that the baristas would be able to control the shots better than a machine, because obviously baristas are better. So Torsten said, no worries, baristas first, they get to work for a day. Was it a day? Yeah. And then day 2, we're gonna turn on the control of the machine. So this is a graph of every product and the shot time. So that's the baristas, between 26 and maybe 15-second shots. And then they turned on the control on day 2. And then that's the shot times that are coming out of it.
Summarize the 4 milk things.
So you can steam manually.
Yeah.
Start and stop yourself. You can steam manually and it will stop at the right temperature for you. You can put a cold jug of milk under the steam arm at any angle or whatever, and it will aerate the steam and inject it straight in to your recipe, like you would if you were a barista. Air at the start, then heat up. Or you can dispense milk that's already steamed into the cup or into a jug or whatever you like. This is much more sort of silky for latte art or whatever you want to do.
God damn.
Etc. So pretty versatile in terms of milk.